Understanding "I believe in us," exploring its meaning and usage. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase in English, "I believe in us." This phrase isn't just about the words, but the emotion and context behind it. Whether you're learning English as a new language or just curious about this expression, you're in the right place. Let's unravel its meaning together. "I believe in us" is a powerful expression used to convey trust, confidence, and support in a relationship, whether it's romantic, familial, or platonic. The word "believe" implies a deep faith or conviction, while "us" signifies a bond between two or more people. It's an affirmation that despite challenges, the speaker has unwavering faith in the collective strength or potential of the relationship. 1. This is straightforward. It's the speaker asserting themselves. 2. Believe. This is key. To believe means to hold something as true or to have confidence in something. It's deeper than just thinking or hoping. 3. In, a small word with big implications. It indicates the direction of the belief. It's towards or within something. 4. This is the collective term for the speaker and at least one other person. It's a shared identity or partnership. 1. Romantic context, often used between partners, symbolizing trust and confidence in the future of the relationship. 2. Teamwork and collaborative projects, used to motivate and express confidence in a group's ability to succeed. 3. Family and friendship, to reassure loved ones during tough times or to express solidarity and unity. The phrase is laden with emotion. It often implies hope, especially in challenging times. Saying, "I believe in us," can inspire optimism. Commitment. It's a verbal commitment to the bond shared, indicating a readiness to work through difficulties together. Support. It's a way of showing emotional support and encouragement. 1. I have faith in us, similar in meaning, focusing more on trust and confidence. 2. I trust in us puts more emphasis on the aspect of trust within the relationship. 3. We can do this, a more collective way of expressing the same sentiment. "I believe in us" is more than just a phrase. It's a heartfelt expression of trust, commitment, and hope in a shared bond. Whether in a romantic relationship, within a team, or among family and friends, it's a powerful way to convey unwavering support and confidence in collective strength. Thanks for joining us in exploring this beautiful expression. Keep practicing, and remember, the beauty of language lies in its ability to connect us.